All right, SEMA 2023. We are heading down another row. We've been seeing a lot of big trucks. We've seen some roll in. I'm going to try to turn you around. They're kind of shaded over here a little bit, but we're going to do the best we can to get what we can.
Because of work.
Go ahead. I'm just trying to get out of your way.
Check this out. If he has it open, it's because he wants us to see in there. Another huge truck. I like those wheels. Yeah, I can't get far enough back to get all this. Wow. Okay. He prepped for this show. Now, I'm not sure what he has on the back here. That's as high as my arm will go, so we can maybe see something. But it's like a, it's got something up here. I'm not sure. He does have these doors open. Oh my. Look how pretty. Monster green. Well, you can see him coming. That's for sure.
Well, we're sure not to do that.
I told you not to do that.
Or any of them.
I'm a little confused. And this front, here's this front tire. And here's the other one. So I guess, depending on which side you see, I like those stacks though. Now, here's what. Look at this. Oh yeah. We're gonna get on the shiny side. He's parked next to a truck, so. But look at this. Look at that. You know, Lowriders are my one of my favorites. back, and then I'm going to take you on this side, show you inside. Look here. Even that trim. Here you go. That's what we look for. Wow. Love, love, love that. We're gonna see, you may not see anything that nice the rest of the show. That has a lot to do with me personally. And here's an old favorite. Everybody knows this. 2019, this won the Hot Wheels contest. Out of, I think, Oregon. Oh, California. Okay, I knew somebody out of Oregon that went and helped him with it, so. That's just awesome. A lot of people taking pictures of it. Today, SEMA is not really open. It is just still getting set up. I don't know what bolt is, but it's got turtles. Apparently, breakthrough one key lock technology. All right. I learn something every year. How well you can see that with the reflection. That's pretty cool. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm running into people with big old equipment. A lot of carbon fiber here. Go. We saw this one rolling it. No, maybe not. Side chick. Oh, here we go. And there's the star of the show taking a nap. I'm going to go around on the other side here. Because this thing is crazy. When we were driving cross country, we saw a whole trailer, not lifted, not these lifted, but of the 6-door. Try to get back a little bit. Is that amazing or what? It's got a screen up there playing. And that's all the higher my arm will go, guys. Sorry. I think somebody's exhaust smells like weed. Gotta have a few hot rodders come through. We'll go back the rest of the way down, and then we'll stop this one, start another one. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, I would love it if you do that. Also, like I said, there's a link in the description below. If you use my link and make a purchase, I may make a commission. It is for my Amazon shop. You can also hit follow over there, and I greatly appreciate it. This is one of the dirtier ones. Let's flip you around so you can see this. Looks like it's actually been driven. I don't think it just rides on a trailer.
Here's my Instagram, guys. If you need anything, let me know. Like, we do carbon fiber for all the time.
Oh, that's nice. I don't know if I can get through here.
I noticed that during the weekend, but you don't over the weekend. Just put it.
Yeah, a lot of these. We'll go on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. I'll just tell everybody you're my uncle. Oh, and I'm in your way. Yeah, that's how tall that truck is. And that guy's taller than me.
He's 6 foot.
Oh, is he? See, everybody has fun when they come to SEMA, and they hurt themselves. I was going to say, some of them, I'm like, that's as high as my arm will go, guys.
There's no step ladder. There's no, how do you get up there? I said you have to bring a oversized extension ladder to get up there.
It's got an Instagram for a woman.
Wow. This is
Maybe they, with the bags, they remotely drop it down. That's the only thing I could think of.
yeah, you're right. Yep.
I would hope.
The one thing is they know that it can't be stolen, okay, unless you can get up there. And if they can get up there, go for it.
Yeah.
It's
Even
just imagine how much more space it is.
you know what?